Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss exercise 12.3. First question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.19 if PQ equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. We need to find out, this is our figure, we need to find out the area of the shaded region. This is our shaded region and this small portion is also our shaded region. In that question, the length of PQ and PR is given. PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 7 centimeter. We need to find out the area of shaded region. And this angle RPQ, is there any speciality for that angle RPQ? That angle RPQ, that means this angle, this is an angle in a semicircle. That is an angle in semicircle, and we know that angle in semicircle is equal to 90 degree. RQ is a diameter. RQ is the diameter because that passes through the center. Therefore, that angle RPQ is an angle in semicircle and angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, that angle is equal to 90 degree. That means the triangle RPQ is a right angled triangle. Triangle RPQ is a right angled triangle. Now just apply Pythagoras theorem in that triangle. We will get RQ square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. By Pythagoras theorem, we will get RQ square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. That is equal to, this length is given in the question, 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 49 plus 576 is equal to 625. Then RQ is equal to root of 625 is equal to 25 centimeter. So the length of RQ is equal to 25 centimeter. Actually that RQ is the diameter of the circle. RQ, that is the diameter of the circle. So we will get diameter equal to 25. Diameter equal to 25. That means the radius is equal to 25 by 2. Radius is equal to 25 by 2. Now, how can we find out the area of that shaded region? Actually, that shaded region, this is the part of semicircle. So, we will find out the area of semicircle, then area of this triangle. Area of semicircle minus area of the right triangle will give the area of shaded region. So first we are going to find out the area of semicircle. Area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is equal to formula 1 by 2 pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 25 by 2 all square. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 all square. That we will get it as divided by 28 centimeter square. 6875 divided by 28 centimeter square. This is the area of semicircle. Now we need to find out the area of that triangle. Since that is a right angled triangle, we can use half BH formula. Area of triangle RPQ is equal to half BH is equal to half into base into height we need to get, that is 7 into 24 is equal to 84 centimeter square. 84 centimeter square. We got the area of semicircle and the area of triangle. Now we are going to find out the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle minus area of triangle RPQ. Area of the semicircle minus area of triangle RPQ. Area of semicircle, that is 6875 divided by 28. 6875 divided by 28 minus 84 is equal to 4523 divided by 28 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is equal to 4523 divided by 28 centimeter square. Now second question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.20 if radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively and angle AOC equal to 40 degree. So this is our figure. This one is our figure and we need to find out this area of the red shaded portion. And in that figure we have two concentric circles and the radius of that concentric circles is also given in the question. Okay. Radius of two concentric circles is given. The radius of the first circle, that is 7 centimeter, and the radius of the second circle, that is 14 centimeter. That is OB is equal to 7 centimeter and OC is equal to 14 centimeter. And that angle is given, that is 40 degree. Now that shaded region, that is actually area of the sector OAC minus area of the sector OBD. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the sector OAC minus area of the sector OBD. Area of the sector OAC minus area of the sector OBD. Okay, that will give the area of our shaded region. And this is equal to, we know that formula is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is common, that is 40 degree divided by 360 degree into pi 22 by 7 into r square OAC. That sector is the part of our largest circle. OAC is the part of our largest circle. So here the radius is 14 square minus 40 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into OBD, that is the part of smaller circle. The radius of that smaller circle is 7. So here we will have 7 square. Okay. And this is equal to 40 degree divided by 360 degree. 40 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7 is common. So that take it outside. 40 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7, that is common. Take that term outside. Then in the first term we will have 14 square and in the second term we will have 7 square. And this is equal to 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 21. 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 21. That is equal to 22 by 9 into 21 is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square. 154 by 3 centimeter square. That is the area of shaded region. Now third question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.21 if ABCD is a square of side 40 cm and APD and BPC are semicircles. So this is our figure. ABCD is a square and APD and BPC are semicircles. We need to find out the area of that shaded region. Third question, and in that question the side of square is given. Okay, side of square, that is 14 centimeter, and just look at that figure. APD, that is a semicircle with diameter AD, and BPC, that is a semicircle with a diameter BC. APD diameter, that is AD, and BPC diameter BC. It is given that ABCD is a square. That means this AD equal to 14 and BC is equal to 14. Okay, so APD and BPC are semicircles with diameter 14 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of these two diameters is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of these two diameters is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we need to find out the area of shaded region. That area of shaded region, is equal to area of the square, ABCD minus area of the square ABCD minus area of semicircle APD plus area of semicircle BPC. Area of semicircle APD plus area of semicircle BPC. That is equal to area of ABCD, that is 14 into 14, A square, that is our formula, minus area of APD, that is a semicircle with radius 7 centimeter. That is a semicircle with a radius 7 centimeter. So half into pi r square, that is our formula. So half into 7 square plus, again we have a semicircle with a radius 7. So half into pi into 7 square plus half into pi into 7 square. Or you can consider these two semicircles as a circle with a radius 7 centimeter. This 14 into 14 we will get it as 196 minus. This we can consider it as pi into 7 square, right? Half into we have two semicircles. That two semicircles are same radius. That means two semicircles together will give a circle of radius 7 centimeter. That is pi into 7 square. And that answer you will get it as 42 centimeter square. Area of APD and area of BPC, that we have two semicircles with the same radius, that is become a circle. 14 into 14, that we will get it as 196. And these two together we can consider it as a circle with a radius 7. So final answer 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square. Now fourth question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.22 where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. So this is our figure in this question. We need to find out the area of that shaded region, and it is given that this triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, this angle that is 60 degree, and this is given that is 6 centimeter. That portion, this length is 6 centimeter. That means the radius of that circle is 6 centimeter. Okay, and equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter. Equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter. So this length is 12 centimeter. This is also given in the question. Now we need to find out the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region, that is area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of circle plus area of circle, that will give this whole area, and we need to find out the area of triangle also, and area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Okay, area of circle, this area is included, this portion is included, and the area of triangle, in that case also this portion is included. That means that portion comes 2 times. So we need to exclude that portion. That is sector with angle 60 degree minus the area of the sector with angle 60 degree. Now area of the circle, that is pi r square. The radius is 6. So pi into 6 square plus area of triangle OAB. It is given that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, the area of that triangle is √3 by 4 into side square, that is 12 square, minus sector area. The angle is 60 degree because that is an equilateral triangle. So 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square, radius is 6 square. This is equal to 660 divided by 7 plus 36 √3 centimeter square. √3 value is not given in the question, so just we will keep that √3 there. So the area of the shaded region is equal to 660 divided by 7 plus 36 √3 centimeter square.